This is WHM's login interface. Log in with your username and password. You can have a two-tier security methodology. So you have to enter the code which is given by a second factor authentication. So here I have used Google Authenticator as a second factor authentication, and now I'm going to give a new code here. That is continue, and here in front of you, you are having WHM login interface. This is the standard default panel. You have to go to the software link which is available at left side menu bar. Click on software. You are having multiple number of options. Now go to module installers. Again, we are having 4 different module installer options. As we are going to see PHP extension and packages, just click on manage. First, you have to select the PHP version on which you are going to install the extension or required module. From here, you can select your required PHP version. I will keep it for PHP 7.3. In this panel, either you can search your desired extension, some of the searched items from history, or you can have a show available modules button here. Here, this table will give you already installed PHP extensions and applications. So I am going to click on show available modules. So in front of us, we are having module installers, that is a PHP extension and application package. Here we are having a number of available extension, the list of all possible available extensions that we can install. This install button, you can directly install the package. If you have to install the module or extensions from PECL library, click on manage. Again, in front of you, you are having option, either you can search here your desired extension or module, or you can click here show available modules, and these are the some available modules that you can install by clicking the install button. You can install per modules. The same procedure, just click on manage, and you are having the same panel. You can search available modules. this is about the PHP module installers or Apache models. For this, you have to select Easy Apache 4 option. Click on Easy Apache 4 and you will get available profiles. I'm not going to create a new profile. Instead, I'm going to customize currently installed packages. So click on Customize. Here the first option is Apache npm multipurpose module, and we are having these 4 options. Either we can enable or disable. Then click on Apache models. Then you are having the list of about 96 items with us, and out of these you can enable and disable as per your requirement. The third option is for PHP version. You can enable and disable the required PHP version from here. PHP extensions, you have to just enable and disable from here. You can filter modules according to PHP version. Suppose I have to enable or disable one of the module which is of PHP 7.4. So let me disable all. So these all are the extensions from PHP 7.4, and you can enable or disable as per your requirement.